Hey guys, Thomas Allen here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this brokerage boat that I just took in. This is a 2024 MasterCraft X24. Guys, this boat has right at 7 hours, not even broken in quite yet. Beautiful colors and comes with this trailer. Again, this is a 24 model year with 6.7 hours on board, so almost 7 hours. Nicely spec'd out. Sea deck on the swim platform. Submersible swim platform as well. Comes with this trailer. Running gear is in great shape. Also has underwater lights, as you can see. Boat has never been beached. Bottom is clean. This is a freshwater boat used on a freshwater lake here in Upstate South Carolina. Lift kept with a touchless cover. You can see the bottom, never been grounded. Beautiful boat, guys. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the X24. Again, this is a 24 model year. All the upholstery is in great shape. No rips or tears. Drop down armrests, walk through. Twin screens, 7 hours. Wireless phone charger. Flip up seat. Reversible cockpit seat. Boat has 4 CAN speakers. Assisted tower with camera. Guys, we sold this boat new. For more information, please give us a call. My cell is 864-350-0145, or give us a call. MarineMax Greenville. Thank you and have a great day.